We see Army cadets and the KSTS and a cabo bako. I don't know for us to go at a momentum. It must say, 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 it must say. Aye, and then, Empire, a better. You're right, I tell you now. Doctor, Koto, and Castle away, and you're up to you. Tamai, Aquaba, it was say, Mr. Now translate Amame. Now translate Eddie Amame.
Yes, sir. Media men because of the live streaming. Yes, no be free say my.
Yes,
sir. Because of live streaming, yes, sir. Madaroma. Cages. Mon position mo my. But they tell me boarding. Into me kaya no free or me boarding.
A bit as soon as they cry.
Yes, sir. A quite a use no mama end down my. Divisional Police Commander. ASP or that man, the men or the mobile, but here two, here two policemen, high table inside. I say, yes, Roma. Two police officers. Cadet, please be in position. Cadet. Yes, I'm not going anymore and down my MC take over.
Yeah, I say, but tell me, get this one, what Samba PM. You be who the NT, yes, you want to say. Purpose of gathering, you be who know, nothing to know. Akoba sonko kra e de atudwa e de amaye me sempre no e be ma school manager kepra nyame otiame wadaroma but say the NT awofo ya dofo nyina se wonu se betre na face no o ma nananom ne awofo school fo nyina akoba sonko ne otumi ato adwumadi ne so me da say
MC Alpha Yamaobia Kwaba and then Jumediano a Jumedian na Yaka boom Yamiadum great minds Sukura Ebia Sukui in fear ennum enye 5 years and then so and a second batch Omotrebi Syrian and National Moframan so 8 jaya a free school nimu. It's nice a year graduation. And yes, our transitional graduation so various departments. I'm from more preschool, KG. I'm from more lower primary, a year basic 3. I'm from more upper primary, a year basic 6. Almost soon, more transition at the various class now. And at Jumedian, any tree and a brothel, if say you're streaming life. Our feeding 10 times so. In two bones, I'm from money be bad. You better catch him from money be baswa. You better brofo. Me a midna hey, Eddie am from money na de from your chame. Men a midna school ya nemu Edema Kojon cancer lewin. Aqua banu this I actually etchimagu kratas na me became Eddie Amawi. Good morning once again. Thank you to each and every one of you being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome those of you that have been with us for a long time, and as well as those of you who are new to this our noble institution. On behalf of the chairman of the Wisi Empire Ghana and the school management of Great Minds, we say Akwaba. Today marks our 5th anniversary and the graduation of our second batch. We are proud to be able to host it today here within the school's auditorium with you all. Before we start, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to you all, staff, parents, and students who has helped to make this event come together to become a success. The school board, the planning committee, we couldn't have done this without you all. In today's gathering, I would like to focus on the role as a private school in Ghana, 5 years on now. To my lovely graduates, you all have been chosen to be part of this school, a school of creativity and innovation. Your Great Minds, our celebrity school. Your passion helps us all to unite the energy we create. And this is what has allowed us to achieve our individual as well as the school goals. We need you as much as you need us. And that is why we are grateful to have you join us here today to celebrate our 5th anniversary. Well, I don't want to take much time. I need to leave some time so that the event can commence. As the acting manager of the school, being the representative of the chairman of Wizzy Empire and Great Minds, I then commence the role of our 5th anniversary to begin. So, a very warm welcome to Nananom, a very warm welcome to our dear parents, prefectorial board, graduates, and all. Friends of the media, we say we welcome you all. Thank you.
Yadawa say, Otiame Akodanyame, Kepra, on a Sukuno manager, Totoniama, Adema Sukuno to me a cost of Fefe. One bound some aman, oh. As a bonanyame de, Bonsem, no idea pa, Moboy to ma, Bonsem. Yadusono, a penny for oyeti. Aha, yet Udituma, not penny more and tower tia, on how to me and co with him. Kojon Kasalowe, Dr. Kojon Kasalowe, Mr. President. Pima opono a seni efe, a quankai, tipping for eternity. Miss Ambrano, also group for eternity. No, aha, dear friend, the school protocol prophets. Aha, Edino Ama, Tinu Wanoaba, Abayamami. On the Eban Open, seven mammy, oh, school protocol prophets and Ebano. Ow, the catwalk who had a feno, catwalk with a kume.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and members of Great Minds International School community, it's my distinct honor to introduce to you the dedicated and visionary individuals who make up the management of our beloved institution, Great Minds International School, as we gather together to celebrate our 5th anniversary. 1. Mr. Kwajo Nkansa, the proprietor. He is the founder of our great and beloved institution, the brains behind this establishment. 2. Mr. Gabriel Akwesinyame, manager of the school. He is the man behind the great institution's financial decisions. He has been providing us with all necessary and requisite teaching learning resources. 3. Mr. Russell Obeng, the headmaster, leading the way with a profound commitment to education. Our headmaster has been instrumental in shaping the school's vision and ensuring its growth and success. 4. Mr. Emmanuel Che Bafo, assistant headmaster, academic, assisting our headmaster in steering our institution to excellence. His dedication and leadership are crucial in maintaining our high standard. 5. Mr. Augustine Amankwa, assistant headmaster, domestic, guiding the school's strategic direction. His guidance and foresight have played a pivotal role in the school's journey. 6. Miss Perpetua Bano Newman, headmistress, preschool, our esteemed mistress, brings a wealth of experience and expertise to the table. She contributes significantly to our school's development, supporting our heads and various developmental coordinators. 1. From the JHS, Mr. Richard Yabua has been instrumental to our cause. 2. Mr. Thomas Ofori has also been taking care of the upper primary department. 3. We also have Miss Ernestina Welu, who has been very vital to our strong lower primary department. And Miss Grace Menu has led with experience our preschool team under the supervision of the headmistress. In addition to our leadership, we have dedicated an administrative team that works tirelessly behind scenes to ensure the smooth operation of our school. Their names include Mr. Theophilus Abebio, the administrator, Miss Osman Zakia, administrative secretary, Miss Evelyn Boafo, accountant, and Mr. Martin Ejay, account secretary. These individuals collectively embody the spirit of commitment, excellence, and innovation that has propelled Great Minds International School to where it stands today. Their relentless efforts and unwavering dedication have been the driving force behind our school's achievements. As we celebrate this 5th anniversary, let us take a moment to express our profound gratitude to these outstanding members of our management team, who continue to inspire and lead us towards a future filled with limitless possibilities. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause to the management members of Great Minds International School for their outstanding contributions to our institution's success. Thank you.
Thank you, Protocol Prefect. Princess Adontain, Protocol. Princess, Protocol. Protocol Prefect, and I want to pa Rofono, or with them, Wayati. That is so no. You may 4 hours Sukuimo. Sukuno Esso. Dr. Kotoka Salowe, Onoka Otuminye. Kepra, Onoka Otuminye. Headmaster Kwa Otuminye. Tell say, a big home, a church of no. You know, you probably your matre, Madame Patience. Madam Patience, Madam Patience, to introduce the staff, teaching staff. Madam Patience. Oh, about that. Madam Patience. Let's let all teaching staff to line up here.
Good afternoon to you all, and I welcome you once again. I'm here to introduce our noble teachers in this noble institution, which is Great Minds International School. So I'm starting from daycare. Daycare, Madam Grace.
Daycare, Madam Grace.
Madam Grace. Please, if you hear your name, you walk towards the high table.
Yes.
We have Madam Dosia. Madam Dosia.
Madam Dosia or Auntie Dosia. Oh.
Crèche, Auntie Lydia. Please, Auntie Lydia.
Auntie Lydia.
There's 1A, Auntie Adoma.
There's 1A.
There's 1A, Auntie Adoma. There's 1B, Auntie Margaret.
Adoma and Auntie
Margaret
from
There's 2A, Auntie Hannah. Auntie Hannah. There's 2B, Auntie Lydia. Auntie Lydia, there's 2B.
Auntie Lydia, yeah, who know?
KG1A. Auntie Beatrice. KG1A, Auntie Beatrice. KG1B, Uncle Prince.
Uncle Prince.
KG1B, Uncle Prince.
Thank you. Yes.
KG2A, myself, Auntie Patience.
Okay.
Auntie Patience. KG2B, Auntie Juliana.
Auntie Juliana. Beauty contest. Sanity.
Class 1A. Class 1A, Auntie Paulina. Auntie Paulina, class 1A. Auntie Paulina. Class 1B, Auntie Ernestina.
Auntie Ernestina. Thank you.
Class 2, Auntie Florence.
Auntie Florence.
Auntie Florence, class 2.
Class 2,
Class 3A.
Sir.
Uncle Abu. Class 3A, Uncle Abu. Uncle Abu, class 3A.
Oba.
Class 3B.
Uncle Abu, thank you.
Class 3B, Uncle Akwasi.
Uncle Akwasi, class 3B.
Class 3B. Class 4A.
Class 4A.
Class 4A.
One more day.
Uncle Enoch. Class 4A. Uncle Enoch.
Uncle Enoch.
Uncle Enoch.
Oba.
Class 4B.
Class 4B.
Class 4B. Uncle Yima.
Uncle Yima.
Class 4B. Uncle Yima.
Uncle Emmanuel.
Uncle Yima.
Also Oba. Uncle Emmanuel. Class
5A. Uncle Daniel.
Uncle
Class
Daniel.
5A. Uncle Daniel.
Class 5. Oh, Boss Emmanuel.
Class 5B. Auntie Angie. Auntie Angela. Class 5B.
Class 5B. Auntie Angela.
Class 6. Auntie Angela. Auntie Angela. Class 5B. Class 6A.
Class 6A.
Uncle Thomas.
Uncle Thomas.
Uncle Thomas.
Oh, gentlemen. Okay. Offense, fan.
Class 6B.
Class 6B.
Class 6B.
Class 6B. Uncle Gideon.
Uncle Gideon.
Uncle
Class
Gideon.
6B.
Class 6B.
Class 6B. JHS 1. JHS 1.
JHS 1A.
JHS 1A. Uncle Bismarck.
Uncle Bismarck.
Uncle Bismarck. Uncle Bismarck. JHS 1B.
JHS 1B.
Auntie Sandra.
Auntie Sandra.
Auntie Sandra.
Auntie Sandra.
Auntie
Beauty
Sandra.
contest. Oh my God.
JHS 2A.
JHS 2A.
Uncle Brenya.
Uncle Brenya. Uncle Brenya.
B. Okay, JHS 3.
JHS 3.
Uncle Richard.
Uncle Richard.
Uncle Richard.
Uncle Meyehu Bra Fifi Yehu.
So these are the French master.
The French Monsieur. Oh yeah, Chanabo. Hey, Monsieur.
And then Uncle Kwasa, creative arts. RME, he said.
RME.
Then Auntie Najat, home economist, madam.
Yes.
Home
Auntie.
So here are our great minds, teaching staff. We thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam Patient. Bonsam Emma Mami. Obey the telephone classroom at Sabiano and your home omono. There do so no, it is about tomorrow mountain, a kitchen, administration, Omonina so eka hobby. And non teaching staff, your administrator, Mr. Tio, why side production or Eddie Amaye. Non-teaching staff.
Good afternoon. Once again, we welcome you to Great Minds International School. I'm Theophilus Ababio, the school's administrator. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you today to introduce to you the dedicated and talented individuals who form the backbone of our organization. That's our non-teaching staff, starting from kitchen. Madam Achan, yeah.
Madam Achan.
Madam Ya Achan, please.
Madam Ya Achan.
Kitchen.
Madam Ya Achan. Cantino, aduane no aw. Ehwan pa. Madam Ya Achan, yehuo.
Followed by Madam Abena Dufie.
Madam Abena Dufie. Ono so aw kitchen hobby. E pa so me yehumo na mo hia ye pa me yehumo. Madam Ya Achan,
Madam Ya Achan and Madam Abena Dufie.
Madam Abena Dufie. I'm about to the Kowani Emaye, Kowani Maye.
Madam Abena Ewede, cleaner.
Madam Abena Ewede,
Madam
cleaner.
Madam Rita, Madam Rita Akulugo.
Madam Rita
Alice, Madam Alice Boatima.
Alice Boatima. Okay, I don't need now. Say no, pedo. Bonsema.
Madam Teresa Nap.
Madam Tess. Teresa. Madam Tess.
Madam Teresa.
Oba. Obejin the fans. Madam Tess. And Ebano. Nyamisrao.
Then our drivers. Mr. Boachi Jonah.
Pesa. Mr. Boachi Jonah. Apuzo. Oh, me away Apuzo.
Mr. Francis Kwao, DKC. Francis Kwao.
PKC.
Mr. Akwasi Amponsa. Mr. Jumo Thomas. Then Mr. Kweku Boachi.
And Mr. Kwaku Boate, Omina administration, Ayasika Seminole, School to Twina, Omonona, Omodo to money drivers, Omina Kahopi, Sanatio. Mr. Tio, Nami Osrao. Other for the Adusono, Wizzy Army Cadets, any KSTS, Cadets, Akabo Bako, Sukuno, any KSTS, Ayapata Senior High School, Honomono, Ewakofaka Siapa, and Utin almost a when you're 5 years, not a 5th anniversary year, and you're also ever come home at display. It's in the young Sabrano, Wizzy Army Cadets, any KSTS cadets at Akabo display at the Amaye. Mr. Equanimumbi, Maye, band for you ready. Cadet band for no, and you're ready. Wizzy Army Cadets, NAKSTS, joint forces to display. Program now air live and on Wizzy TV, Koton Kasa TV, our live, Aputo TV, also F on the live. Great Minds Brass Band. Great Minds Brass Band. And along. Amone KSTS. Senior high school, no? Ayakofa, near your dog, see a woman. Chelsea and then, 5th anniversary year, and yes, we come home to see the events. KSTS, Patase. Bonsamomo, Esabono, KSTS, for no, KSTS brass band, and no, oh, Esabono, Esa, oh, Tidiamoye, Omonia, dear, oh, KSTS, and a Great Minds International School, and Uncle Facas here, near your doctors here, at the Omo and Thomas and Ne, 5th anniversary year, yet to know how they be, you become home, I do tomorrow. It's your become home. I'm a band no near tea, and you know, Omo Yakra, a fair crown at Mediano, Omo Ebesassie. The Omoya no introduction. To enter Wizzy Army Cadets and the KSTS cadets are being joined forces. Wizzy Army Cadets, KSTS. KSTS, Kumase, Aya Ashanti Rete Hanyina, cadets, and as a brass band, Omuchaman as a pan. Number 1, first class, KSTS, KSTS, Boston Son, Omoya dear pan. Yes, you're ranking, you know, Omoya number 1. The whole Asante rating, the number 1 brass band, KSTS. Hey. Wizzy Army Cadets, I have Great Minds International School. Great Minds at 5, the 5th anniversary.
Hello.
And then, school no makwine. Some person want panel a free daycare, crèche, nursery, KG, ekopim JHS3. A free etwana echo administration eya juma for one bra near Petino, Obenya Titia Pa, and then Huma Pa, oh, Great Minds International School. Wisi Army Cadets, Great Minds International School. Wisi Army Cadets, join with KSTS, Kumase.
Hey! Hey with advance. Left 10. Just say. In open order. Involves dress. Right up. Maka, look to your left and take a rest. Matuman, for the bit. Stand still, right up. Right, lift up. Maka, look to your right and take a rest. Last one, for the bit. Stand still, left up. Hey! His fruit.
Bonsam Sawamaya, Bonsam, ha. Tiamoyan Epepa, Wisi Army Cadets, Omoni KSTS Cadets, and Akabo Bakono.
Calabatin. Match on the colors. Ready. Present. Oops.
And remember, no. Now open sem. Wisi Army Cadets, Great Minds International School.
Ready. Shut. Day. Hands. Ready. General salute. Present. Hands. Shut. Day. Hands. Ready. Up. Day. Hands.
Esembono Pasewamaye, Esembono, Wisi Army Cadets, Great Minds International School.
Good afternoon, sir. Great Mind International School 5th Anniversary Parade Fund. $18 men, 4 officers with the colors and with the band attendants. Parade Senior Bonaiki Elisha, ready for your inspection, sir.
Permission granted.
Permission granted. Saman, over sorry, Abana, upper inspection of Eddie Amaye. Aha. Dr. Koto in Kasalawe. Permission granted by the chairman, director of Great Minds International School. Second, Dr. Koto in Kasalawe. Dr. Koto Ekasa Lowe. Director Koto Ekasa Lowe with a school board having an inspection. Great Minds International School. The 5th anniversary. Great Minds International School. The school owner with a school board, with a cadet inspection and all other inspections. The band should continue to lead the director back to the seat. Director Koto Kasalawe now inspecting the brass band.
Good afternoon, sir. Great Minds International School 5th years anniversary parade format. KS3S Regimental Banding section. Number on roll 45 with a band conductor and the senior drum major. A CEO Dunyan Techi Emmanuel reporting. Band is ready for inspection. Permission to carry on.
KSTS brass band being permitted to continue. Director Koto Kasalawe permitting all processes. Director Koto Kasalawe of Great Minds International School with the board.
Sir, your inspection over. Permission to carry.
Permission. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Permission granted. Carry on, said the director of the school. Dr. Koto Kasalawe. Permission to continue.
Inspection over. Your permission to carry on.
Hello.
Carry on. Doctor Koto Kasalawe. I say carry on. Men can't your kind of. I say carry on. Sanity.
Pray, shut, guidance.
KSTS cadets join with WISI Army cadets, Great Minds International School, 5th annual graduation and ceremony event.
Calamity, man of the cadet. Present hands.
Great Minds International School, the 5th anniversary and graduation ceremony. WISI Army cadets, KSTS cadets.
arms. Breathe in for that much. Form arms. Breathe. Update arms. Breathe. Hey. Rifle assist. Thoughts. Checking on the arm system. Up.
Wisi Army Cadets, Great Minds International School. Join with KSCS, Kumasi, Patase. Great Minds International School, 5th anniversary and graduation ceremony. Great Minds. Oh, Esembono Elfom.
Pray. Pray. Shut. Pray. Shut. Dead. Hands. Pray. Pray to march off in colors of route. Move to your left in colors of route. Left, 10.
Wisi Army Cadets, KSCS Cadets.
Yes, sir. Carry on, carry on, carry on.
KSCS Brass Band, the number 1 band in Asante Region, the school band, the top 1, first class. Very soon, you will hear the national anthem, the chief versing, Ghana's patriotic song, Yanyara Asatini. If I tell Opia Esojan and also, Yafani Die Emma Yamai Ghana, the national anthem. Obia and Sojan and Asamaye, yes, Madaroma, Munyanisa, Emaye, Otumi and Nante Tinafako. Movement are seized. some so mommy. Aha, bon some so. Bon some so my. KCS brass band. Kumase Patase. Omone Great Minds International School. Thank you very much, KSTS, Kumase Patase. Thank you very much. KSTS Brass Band. Okay. Dear Martinov, thank you very much, KSTS. Nyame onsa o maya dia pa bonsam emo bonsam o maya dia pa chenebo enna fom aha aben no so ne bo enna fom apanta nyina be ya wo ya omo ya dia pa ensebo no esa bonsam mo no maya dia KSCS Patase Kumase omo ne Great Minds International School ayanko fa edo mo tempa enoti omo se enne em 5th anniversary dia amount na fie on be come home edituma no mana fe there is another four your school prophets senior most boys prophets my SRC address senior most boys prophets yes senior Sharif Mohammed Salifu person oba senior most boys prophets on a school nyina mema no oda omano Omoto abano on the winning year. Senior most boys prophet. Senior Sharif Mohammed Salifu. Prophet Mabuano Hamosorembra on the board. Please come. The God's prophets. Senior most God's prophets. Protocol prophets. And also all other prophets to join assist the senior most boys prophet to give us his wonderful address. Senior most boys prophet. Mr. Anidiamua. Krora. Two. I hear crying. Nana say Eba. Nana say I hear crying. Eba. Nidiamia so giant also. Anidiamua, Mr. Mo, Yanson giant also. Nana. Ono et me aba na musini na epaye ina musini na epaye ya de nyina nana ya ma akwapa ahinkro ehene piao nana ya de nyina Osopo emaye nana opaso ya tie nyina nana bakope Kora ahinkro ehene piao. We appreciate you nana. Great minds Eric Mapia Tonsafre no nana oba nana yedawase Nana, yama akwapa, piao. Kwaswata onaso, nana tnasia. Ansana yotumi atena ase. Yenyina ye naso. Yefa nidie, ema ye nana, ahinkro, ehene. Enam sini, we appreciate you, nana. Nana atnase. Afedi obia etumi atnase emaye. Ye nana atnase. Nana adaroma emakwa baso kokra. Yeda waseme pray. Mesra utumi atnase emaye. Ketefo yedamase. Yebesa fremo. Senior most boys prophets. Senior Sharif Mohammed Salifu. On it all the senior board. And a prefect board no, to give us his wonderful address.
Ladies and gentlemen, respected faculty, students, and distinguished guests, a warm welcome to all of you as we gather here today to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Great Minds International School. I stand before you as the senior-most boys prefect, deeply honored to be part of this momentous occasion. First and foremost, I want to express our sincere gratitude to our founder, Mr. Kwejo Nkansa, whose vision and determination brought this incredible institution into existence. It is your foresight and commitment to education that have paved the way for the success stories that this school has witnessed over the past 5 years. To our dedicated and passionate teachers and staff, we extend our heartfelt appreciation. You are the guiding light in our academic journey, mentors who have nurtured our minds and encouraged us to reach for the stars. Your unwavering support is invaluable, and we are grateful for your dedication. To the parents and families of our students, your trust and support have been instrumental in your growth. Your encouragement and sacrifices have allowed us to thrive, and we thank you for being our pillars of strength. As we commemorate this milestone, let us not only reflect on the achievements but also look forward to the boundless potential that the future holds. Great Minds International School has become a place where dreams take shape, where innovation and creativity thrive, and where young minds are empowered to make a difference. To my fellow students, I encourage you to take pride in being part of this remarkable institution. Together, we are a community of learners, explorers, and future leaders. Let us continue to uphold the values of unity, respect, and excellence that define our school. As we embark on this new academic year and celebrate this 5th anniversary, let us remember that our journey is only just beginning. The next chapter promises more challenges, more discoveries, and more opportunities for growth. Let us face them with determination, courage, and a commitment to make the most of our time at Great Minds International School. In conclusion, I want to say that the success of this school is a collective achievement. It is a testament to what we can accomplish when we work together with a shared purpose. Let us carry the spirit of celebration forward as we continue to learn, grow, and excel. Thank you, and here's to many more years of excellence and achievement at Great Minds International School. Thank you.
Basama senior most boy prophets. Mohammed Salih Fu. Wonder pitch. Nano atepa waitress apa. Abana moto ya no man to empu. Your senior most boys prophets. I don't know. Senior Salih Fu. There is one. Great Minds International School. Etre kasa hoto. Etre chiwa ha. Refo kasa French, Spanish, German kasa nyina yetre. There is one. You better French recitation. Mumbra mami French for no embra French recitation Madame Dosia Omano French for no Mumbra oh two.
Bonjour mesdames, je m'essaie. Bonjour mesdames, je m'essaie. Je m'appelle Abdul Salam Weida. Mon nom de famille est Abdul Salam et mon prénom est Weida. J'ai 10 ans, je suis Hélène, je viens du Ghana. Je fréquente l'école internationale Grand Cespi. Le titre de ma récitation est la suivante. Petit lapin, c'est malin. Dans les matins, gare au gamin, sur le chemin. Petit lapin, c'est malin. Merci.
Merci. Thank you very much. French no. French kasa no dia teacher no. Oh. Ensemble no ego form. Kede ye oh. Naka o tukunu suma me. O mane kosa. French for na san. Ba koso ba. French recitation. Okay, school choir. Great Minds International School. Choir for ewa ha. Emma enyum ye hwam. School choir. Great Minds International School. Yesu. Yedama say great minds choir. Yes, yede already say nyone mo de pa my ade mo ne so ede abofo nketoa na me onsramo. Mesra Yesu e woni pa wa ye ede ama me. Aw nyone mo de ensembon e wo fombo se wono my ade pa. Oh ya me ya ade mesra bo se mo no my ade. Aha. Great minds school choir. I don't know. French recitation. Aha. Owiana English Franco Atwaso.
Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Je m'appelle Oussoudan Judith Mary. Je me nomme Ernest Champion. Je suis Oussouansa Eliflet. Et moi, Entribos Yakuba Fredis. Le livre de notre poème est le suivant. À l'humanité. Ajoutant à l'humanité, on ne vous demande pas de miracles. On désire seulement que vous laissiez quelque chose après vous. Celui qui a planté un arbre avant de mourir n'a pas vécu inutile. C'est un proverbe indien qui le dit. En effet, il ajoutait quelque chose à l'humanité. L'arbre donnera des fruits ou tout au moins de l'homme à ceux qui naîtront demain. Un arbre, un toit, un outil, une âme, un vêtement, un remède, une vérité démontrée, une découverte scientifique, un livre, une statue, un tableau. Voilà ce que chacun de nous peut ajouter au trésor. Il n'y a pas aujourd'hui un homme intelligent qui ne se sent lié par des filles invisibles à tous les hommes pressés, présents, effectifs. Nous sommes les héritiers de ceux qui sont morts, la société de tous ceux qui vivent, la providence de tous ceux qui naîtront. Merci beaucoup.
Merci, yedama say my idea pa. How much reference no recitation no. Aha. English
MC me
recitation.
How far any mu di juma? Yes, Ramo, some of Franny be na yo fa. Moncha mo frana die. Because my friend I'm okay cry school ra was what ya see. Eh, Timoncha de na nya fe. Oh yes, Ramo na nsem no so mabo. Ense be wie ni nuane e wode ma mo friend ne be so ya de akofie. Yes, Ramo, madam, remember to us my.
Yeda say otiame ai sem sika no a yesre akwa no omo ya de no a yenche o made na nya fe na nya kon no sakwa no o ya de no openya no home no so ama na ye fe. Great minds actual French for kasa German kasa Spanish Chinese kasa jina mo kire o hanom say they do so no English aha brofo no aha.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fabio Christabel. I am in baby 6. The title of my poem is Graduation. Graduation is a time to remember and a time to dream. A time to look back and a time to reach forward. A time for songs of laughter and a time for tears and joy. A time for letting go and a time for discovering hope and dreams that are yet unborn. A time to say goodbye to yesterday. A time to greet tomorrow with courage. A time for loving hard together and a time to celebrate all that you are and all that you may become. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, emo da pan and also our pan. There is time for everything. Thank you very much. Next to come.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sharifa Hussein. I am in Basic 4. I am here to recite a poem entitled Education. Education is the key to success. Education is not just about classes and grades. It is about knowledge. That with time doesn't fade. Education is the true essence to be in charge of one's own.
Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Etonam Atotinga Georgette is my name. I am in Basic 5. I am here to recite a poem entitled Mother Ghana. Mother Ghana, you are very great and strong. A country of peace is you. You are so kind and friendly that your neighbors love you. Mother Ghana, your leaders are brave like warriors. and your children are always hopeful. This made your mother Africa very proud of you. Mother Ghana, you are my only motherland in whom I lay my trust. I promise to always hold you high in esteem. Your flag, the colors, and your symbols, I shall never let down. Mother Ghana, my beloved country, your name I shall always hail high. I love you, Mother Ghana, and to your service I pledge my whole life. Ah, Mother Ghana, you are blessed. Mother Ghana, how faithful you are. Thank you.
Thank you. We love you, Mother Ghana. God bless you. See that?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hawa Haruna Banda. I am in Basic 4. I am here to recite a poem entitled Coco, 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 Father put Coco, Father put Coco, great fruit of Ghana, children fruit of Ghana. Parents love your chocolate, family wants your money, Ghana needs your money. Coco, how grateful you are to be loved one another. Coco, Coco, be proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Coco, some for so and Okayano. Coco, Ediabapa, Edisika, Emma, Yamaikana.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Millicent Atoba. I am here to recite a poem entitled An Orphan Child. Yes, I am an orphan. I was alone on the road and street, almost in the whole world. Yes, I am an orphan. I have also come to celebrate with you. Permit me with the clothes. I should have appeared as beautiful as you are sit here. Yes, I am an orphan. I live in a hut with a roof cut. No one was there to help me out. No one was there to hug me. Praise me when I did something good. Scold me when I did something bad. Tell me the difference good and bad. No one was there to bring me up. I gone up on my own. No one was there to hold my hands. I was alone on this big land. Yes, I am an orphan child. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aduchumwa Hespa. I am in Basic 5. I am here to recite a poem entitled Happiness. Happiness is a feeling so bright and bold. It fills your heart with warmth untold. It's the sunshine on a cloudy day, a gentle breeze that makes you sway. It's the laughter of children at play, the embrace of loved ones every day. It's the taste of sweet, delicious treat, and smell of fresh flowers on the street. Happiness is a state of mind, a place where warriors are left. It's the joy of achieving a goal or a peace that comes from being whole. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Chi recitation. Kasa ahotuo. Yada wa say, wano wa say, oh. Eya mon chadi ya ufo, eya mon chadi ye. Na kwa na yadi ye pa, omo yadi ye, oh.
Mama Tinasio, Empanyfo, Ahemfo, Achafo ne Alpha Metrahesh. Me amijina he, me dindi apia blessing. And yes, a man may became. Yatuni din say, Sijnayama, Sijnayama, a toda, and young folks was said,
afoforo ehu nientia uye bibi ana usi jinaye bi nanso se wudi de nipa bedwen afa wo ho echidia ubeye akwa ama wonde bia yenti se anka betwetwe insemu dan sia se ofra brabo empeni peni monya medamase
Yeda wa say sitinaye nipa eya sitinaye yeda say nyame onsira wo wano ate pa
Mama Tinasio, empennyfo, ahemfo, achachiafo ne awofo a matwa ha hia e dia na de hia migina ha medina kria papa bi mademfie wotwe migina pamiensa anyensa ma me ba beken yeto ne din se abrasafoa na onipa ho agene pa efise enya dia obi pani nimo enti se uhu se me ho da so pa susuka na bibinti na abane saa enya se me ye onipa ho no bio mmom obrana aya ne papa hia kwa enya se me kyra me ho ne abukwa bebrebe yi senka obi se mu a anka obeti mase senka wo ye aso ama asomroji a anka ubehu se ompensa na so fa ko a okofri enti na abane saa enti mesiraw nyame ho agene pa na menya onipa ho sadia ususu no medamase
yeda say nyame ho agene pa a nyame sira wano ate ya santoa
mo atnasio empenifo ahemfo achachafo ni minyan masiafo amecha hesha mi amigina he ye frame afia papa bi megina penai anyensa ma me beken ya tuni din se sika jet cash money leisure menono odasani frame abua sika wo frame money swine empeni for kaya one more say o mama hu ye ahi me ho ahinti onipa bo mi di chan abode biara emma fra pema asem empeni for pema asem me ya ahuna bobini onipa di mi sie chan majapa de biara meto fem a odasani di mirika na epejame sika mi di mi hini wo obiara so aman hini amai penyana why na owotu mi chan me adwumayefo a adosu nyina akuafo a woma adanchi wona wadu inra mu nyina odasani besi atatai asresre adi husia na mayema woni botom amai mu bejo na emu ayede akoyie a na wode me aguye atutumiye okuani sori da suomu sei haso de kwam koye adwuma a na ayemi intra bosome suna adwuma yefo besi atatai asresre a na mayema wa won bottom odasani kai na hunu se me wa intaban wunya me na wa nhwemi ya metu sika
ose krom sika ni na oba no ose krom sika ni ayima nyame osira wa yade pa nyame osira o
mema obibia atenase
ose krom sika ni aba
din apuna eruchumwa manyensa ma mebeken ya tuni din se abibi man yan asem yemobo abibi man yan asem yemobo yan asem ya nanso okamafo ne hwan she oman a akwasi broni tu hu mrika shofo bo ho atwede se obaba beye mu adwuma pa na ene adane amanfu she akwasi broni fanya sa kwasfa ye mamun a wo ho ye den nyina akwa wo krom ko ye wan adwuma se be kai sa krato dwede ya na wo se akura obume yo akwasi broni ni nyame so be kata ye ni wi eje kwade nyina eye apa se obra ahya se enye den se awieye abiban
thank you very much edawase
mima obibia atnasio mia mijina hai mididi inshira papa bi mede mfia du baako mijina pennan anyensa ma mi beken yato ne din se owuo beja hwani owo kunfanko owo chimodemfo akuna fo adonso wisiani nyanka ati se amafie adampai ni nyina fi ba mu owuo adasama samu hunu so owari tsone ade a so bi na wodane sebo a odo beko owo beja hwani owo beja hwani wo ye hu konton krotwi a woda amanse nyina kom an feri obia an hro obia enti wonni anigema oman yi wafa afa wodi wapakan akofa oman panyin atamus anso hara wodi oman panyin dada Rollins atoso owo adasamba owo nti nipa horenye anipre susu kasa fa wonse supo mechewo menu bedi onyanko ne me enkosi hwe nipa puese anopenhwe onyine bacho no wakusa owanye muane wo da a ope odo be kwansia do mechewo enkosi hwe efise adaka menemu no nipa nyina ye pe owachi de obi biara befuru bi owo midamase
Yada ase na me osra bon se man oya de pa yadu si oro sakfo yenti yes headmaster assistant uncle t ebede tuma bi ede amaye penifo yentem na nanom so ewo yentem o se tumi kakra efa omo ho uncle t nyame osra
MC me de nyame eda wase empenifo akasem bi se kuro da ho a ewura asase bia ni ho a edam paida ni senti no owura kodon kansa dwumadie kasi a wadi ewo asase suo yi asase no wamfa na sasere wamfa no kwa osre efi kurowura ho asedan ka kurowura dida and awie ye nyina e de akomakro ebeto ensa afre nana jansa apew a otoso miensa ono ena ye benkum hene ewo ahinkuro ha nana etia ne na chi kakra enu nti ono ene ne mpanimfo ena ebesi nanan nana ye boye mu ase ema wo adaworo ma mo nsa so na ye nyina ye hu yo nana ye da wase enya nana nko ena ye yi no akire yetunsa efre ofenso hima nana susu etia ne nachi kakra bibia sankam no a wantumi ama eno ntino watunsa afre nana akosua owusu a oye esuo so ema nyina ehene nana enso ye mfimfi ha mo nana mo apia enye olonko ena ebaaye yewo nana adwoa adechei ono nso na oye ofenso achiame ehima nana enso wo ye mfimfi ha nana ye mwakwaba nana enye olonko ena baaye yewo se nana abadia nana ewo ne kasamafo a oye chiame efia buatima nana fia nana soso ena ama no musoi se yewo empanimfo ekitafo mienu sei eta ye dwumadi ye chia na ne aseda ena yeda no enye enonko owo abaduasa owo kununu wo abrempon enso so ewo ha a eye sukuu yi enyina wura eye owura kodjon kansa ne maame a ye fro no eno afra maame o so pagya mo ene na empanimfo a wonum eta ye dwumadie ye wo adofo bebre ye nim se dwumadie ni yie no eno nti na mo nyina mo aba nananom mo aba ye ma mo nyina akwa aba
yeda wase Mr. Tay Pafo nyame onsrao headmaster the headmaster neti assistant headmaster no nyame onsrao yeda say adofo me kai wo say open music director from Mr. Desmond Asari Obebuao, the number is 0546147411. And also a cadet instructor. Offer number way also better also Heritage Ata Bafo Emmanuel. It was 0243228309. Or better was so. Tell us you know great minds. Modeless catwalk no a true so. Emo from Atati beauty contest. anantie mu ahodoɔ ɔmbɛkyerɛ hanom sei eti no music no bɛfa aseɛ ɛde amaye na yɛmfa na baako aha modelers no monyɛ ready model no aduru mo so aha yɛpɛ nyam tea ɛwɔ aseɛ ɛwɔ abra yɛma no ɛba no ti Mr. DJ ono asɛyɛ no aduru so aha Great Minds International School ɛnɛ ɛna ɔmoma kwan nyame yɛ adomo a yesu yɛ adomo a 9th October ɔmo san ebie school Great Minds ebie ne pono ɔmo gye efiri daycare ɛkoda tɔfewa no ɔmbɛgyew crèche KG ɛkɔpem JHS ɔde ne ba ɔmo ɛbɛgyew ba no fɛfɛɛfɛ atete no ɛde ama wo modelers if I tell to me a tadia money to me tadia I yes okay if I tell speak and home for someone speak and I wonder how hello. Sir, Ghana's most beautiful, the beauty contest, a catwalk. Oh my God! Energy, DJ, energy. Okay, gangster, Kumerica in the building. Great Minds International School, the modelers, beauty contest, the catwalk. Oh my God! Hey. Yes, gangster, Kumerica in the building. Great Minds International School. Talent. No wonder. Sa Omosukura, Bibia Onimiye, Ebana Yamutua, Asa, drama, play, any movie, any day, Nina Onimiye, Tinimana so any muti. Oh, that's all. Hey. Yes. Hey, that's all. Energy. Okay. Next. Thank you. Very simple. Hey. All right. Yes. Okay. Hey. Papia. Yes. Beauty. Great Minds International School. Bibia. Omotre. Hey. Oh my God. Beauty contest, the modelers. Great Minds International School. Hey. Great Minds International School. Hey. Hey. Bibi Ebekoso. Great Minds International School. The Models. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Thank you very much. Asa. Edamase. DJ. Nami Osra. Why are here? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. MC. I think such a media any cost, you know. Jumadi any question yenya one of our big superstars within the music scene no Emmanuel Bekaye ho or one of the big streamline music say currently trending in Kumasi a year across Ghana or top 8 charts and Billboard. Great Minds International School, I'm proud to introduce to you Osekrom Sika Ni. The chartist man is in the building.
All right.
Yes.
Osekrom Sika Ni.
Osekrom Sika Ni ewofia ha.
The chartist man. Acha me to mai. Ne atundi wati.
Pesa mo
To ne atundi wati.
Is me yesofo. Chartist.
Yes.
Ono betimi atopa for microphone no abet.
Chartist. Let's go.
Freestyle.
All right, thank you. Edison, the headmaster, Ebekasa. School in headmaster. Your dad master's and before that, your poem hearing him honum, I'll better get a tata, son of a bar, poet no umbra, Bensita, Ediamina, Bensita, the poet. Bensita, Besenti. We are fee Ababio, Besenti. The poet, Besenti, Fidaus. Okay, Miss Ambre, headmaster, are you ready? See your mind address. Great Minds International School, headmaster, Bon Service and the Quine. Headmaster, Mr. Russell. Esembono Amao. Headmaster Muatina Hanum say, oh, it's a cool for Headmaster Etinaha, Mr. Russell.
Esteemed guests, parents, students, faculty, and staff of Great Minds International School. Today, we gather here with hearts full of pride and gratitude to mark a significant milestone in our institution's journey. That's the 5th anniversary of Great Minds International School and our 3rd graduation ceremony. As the headmaster of this remarkable institution, I am deeply honored to stand before you on this ceremonious occasion. 5 years ago, we embarked on a mission to create a school that not only imparts knowledge, but fosters a spirit of curiosity, creativity, and excellence. Today, as we celebrate our 5th anniversary, we can look back with pride at the incredible progress we've made and the lives we've touched. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to the founder of our school, Mr. Koyon Kansa, supported by his tireless management, and our predecessors, Mr. Boache Dankwa, Mr. Sean, and Mrs. Gifty, whose vision and dedication have been the guiding light of this journey. It is through the unwavering commitment to education that we stand here today as a beacon of light and learning and growth. To our exceptional faculty and staff, your passion, dedication, and tireless efforts are the pillars of our school's success. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled values that will guide our students throughout their lives. Thank you for your relentless commitment to our school's mission. Now to the parents, your trust and partnership in your child's education are invaluable. Your involvement in our school community is a testament to the importance you place on providing the best possible educational experience for your children. We thank you very much, our dear parents. And now to our students here. You are the heart and soul of this institution. That's what we have for you. Your thirst for knowledge, your creativity, and your aspirations drive us to continuously strive for excellence. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers, and we are proud to be part of your journey. As we celebrate this milestone, let us also look to the future with two great qualities: optimism and determination. Great Minds International School has set a high standard of excellence, and together we will continue to push the boundaries of what we can be achieved in education. Now I'll conclude here. So in conclusion, I want to emphasize that our school's success is a collective achievement. It is the result of the combined efforts of our founder, the faculty, the staff, parents, and students. It is a testament to what can be accomplished when a community comes together with a shared vision. So thank you all for being part of the journey. We wish ourselves a happy 5th anniversary to Great Minds International School. Here's to many more years of inspiring great minds and shaping futures. Thank you very much, everyone, for making this day a memorable one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Headmaster, Mr. Russell. Our for any Ejamopa Headmaster. Headmistress will follow. Headmistress of the preschool. Esembono L form O. Esembono L form. I'm about to my pa. I was a queen.
Distinguished guests, parents, teachers, our little stars of Great Minds International School. A very warm and joyful welcome to all of you as we come together to celebrate a special milestone in our school history, the 5th anniversary of Great Minds International. I stand before you with immense pride as the headmistress of our beloved preschool, where young minds begin their educational journey. 5 years ago, this institution was founded with a vision to provide not only academic excellence, but also a nurturing and stimulating environment for our youngster learners. Today, as we gather to commemorate this 5th anniversary, we can see that this vision has blossomed into a beautiful reality. Our preschool is not just a place of learning. It is a place where curiosity is cultivated, creativity is nurtured, and friendships are formed. It is a place where our little explorers take their first steps towards a lifetime of knowledge and discovery. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the founder of our school, Mr. Kojo Nkansa, for his vision and commitment to early childhood education. It is his dedication that he allowed us to create a safe and loving haven for our young students. To our amazing team of teachers and supporting staff, your dedication and patience is shaping the young minds, and trust to our care are truly commemorable. You are the heart and soul of our preschool, and I thank you for your unwavering commitment. To the parents, your trust is us, you trust in us, and your active involvement in your child's education are greatly appreciated. Your partnership with us is invaluable, and it is through this partnership that we can create the best possible environment for our students. To our little stars, we are the reason why we do what we do. Your smiles, your laughter, and your boundless curiosity remind us every day of the magic of early childhood. You are the future, and we are glad to have you and guide you and support you as you take your first steps into this exciting world of learning. As we celebrate this 5th anniversary, let us remember that the journey of education is a lifelong adventure, and it starts right here in our preschool. Let us continue to nurture the love of learning in our little ones and provide them with the foundation they need to become confident, passionate, and curious individuals. In closing, I want to say that our preschool is a place where dreams begin, where possibilities are endless, and where the future is shaping with care and love. Here is to many more years and nurturing young minds at Great Minds School International. We are still taking admissions, so please, our doors are always open. Come one and come all. Great minds, we invite you to bring your words and you'll be taken care of very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mistress. Headmistress, Madam Perpetua, Yedawasi. Dedu so Mr. Mesa Bekumso. Media phone at 8 and a half. Mr. Phone to me and happy Emma, Mr. Wa. Enka media phone kwa Mujina ho Emma. Ketefono atna se abre, ketefo me yetemonka, me yetemonka. Nana no ma wo yente mutimo pa, ini beje pa. Ketefo matna se ate, timo yen sama ya, ebe ye de pa. Kete, yeni media mutumi eye. Na me ka wo se Army Band, Central Band no so almost ewa ha. Ente yebeti omo sonka anopane nyina yene omo a ne ketefo no na edi agro no ti ketefo no so obokakra